to unfurl. I wanna fly high, touch the sky, feel the wind beneath my wings tonight, leave the ground far behind. I wanna fly high, I wanna fly high. Every step is just a leap of faith, breaking free from every chain that binds. I'm reaching for the stars above.